We asked the cohort, what comes to mind when you hear the word radio?
Dead. Rest in peace.
93.5 बजाते रहो.
मिर्ची.
News.
You know, when I was a kid, I'd be in a car and listening to the radio. That's the only time I would ever listen to the radio.
Podcast.
Nostalgia and information.
Akashvani. Antenna.
93.5 का डब्बा.
बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. बड़े मुझे भी अच्छे लगते हैं, लेकिन 95 FM के छोटे एड ब्रेक्स.
94.5.
Jockey.
Good songs.
Outdated.
1990.
Radio.
Club.
Podcasts.
भाई बंद करना ये रेडियो.
Oops! And then we asked, what comes to mind when you hear the word podcast?
Joe Rogan.
Modern and trendy.
Founders, startups, stories.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
True crime podcast, like how a murder happened, who did it best.
Lex Friedman.
Audible.
Oh no, Nikhil Kamath. I like listening to what the fuck.
So if it's Joe Rogan,
Independence.
Podcasts. Beer biceps, unfortunately.
Elon Musk meme with the yeah, amazing, mind-blowing stuff.
Trending.
Collaboration.
like ANI podcast, like political podcasts.
Hope for a cause.
Google. Beer biceps.
Spirituality and motivation.
Awesome! What do you think the Radio Club does?
Reminisce about the good old days.
I have no idea. Probably just elections.
Boktrodi.
I would assume that the Radio Club has its own radio channel where, you know, they're hosting events, playing a bit of music, and maybe people are tuning in from their phones and listening to it.
Not quite, but the confusion is understandable. What do you think we can do with podcasts?
ISB has a lot of smart people, and a lot of smart people result in a lot of good conversation that is going to it's going to be a movement, because a lot of people listen to podcasts when they're doing things like going to the gym or just like chilling, and it really helps you think better because it's books plus one, it's radio plus one. It's amazing. I think podcast for me.
Like catching up on like what all happened over the week. Like we had this many events on, like this club organized this thing, and just kind of like, you know, like this was fun, something like that.
How about you get a bunch of mediocre people to bitch about everything wrong on this campus?
Podcasts can be fun and they can be informative. I think ISB should have a lot of fun podcasts, you know, where just some students come together and just talk about random stuff like they do on random podcasts that we have in India. Yeah.
By spreading information about things that the cohort may not be aware about.
They can leverage it a lot. Like I think they do a lot of podcasts, but they're not popular enough on social media sites and all. Like I do see their podcast on Instagram, and they do not have that visibility at all. So I think they have to work a lot on that. But yeah.
While the Radio Club was a great initiative for its time when it was started in 2006, times have changed and the radio has evolved since then. The internet has enabled the rise of its successor, the podcast. I'd like to bring us the best of both worlds. By rebranding to the Podcast Club by consensus, we can avoid the confusion as to its relevance to us today. The Podcast Club will collaborate with every club, council, and student initiative out there. Podcasts are the way to clearly get your message out there in today's day with clarity and engagement, while at the same time building up ideas while you're at it. Join me in this vision.
James. Vote for James.